This is W.
W,
W is a lips sound. We make it by squeezing our lips together very tightly. W can stretch into other sounds like this.
we, wa, wa,
W goes into words like water, wood, wolf, and whale. W's favourite letter is letter W. W loves to go into letter W. No wonder. W looks just like waves. Sometimes people can mix up letter W and letter M. But W always knows which one is which, because only W can catch water.